Hello, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Mexican restaurant style queso dip. This is my favorite thing when we go eat at a Mexican restaurant, is to get queso dip and have some chips and salsa. It's the best. So I'm using a whole can of evaporated milk, and I'm going to use a whole 8-ounce block of Monterey Jack cheese. Just FYI, this makes a metric ton of cheese sauce, so if you don't want that much, I would really recommend cutting the recipe in half. But I really like to use like all of the ingredient, especially if it's something like evaporated milk and Monterey Jack cheese that I just don't use very often. I just wanted to like use up as much of the product that I bought as possible, rather than having a half a can of evaporated milk sitting in my fridge until it goes bad. Like, that's wasteful. So I just made a bunch of cheese sauce, and then I ate cheese sauce for 3 days. So I'm just crumbling this cheese up. We're just gonna melt it. Like, I didn't really feel like there was any point in getting my cheese grater dirty. So I'm just crumbling this up with my hands, and it's all gonna melt. It just takes it maybe a little bit more time, but that's okay because we have to cook it for a couple minutes anyways. And now I'm gonna add about 7 to 10 slices of white American cheese. And you might be thinking to yourself, that's really weird. But this cheese has a special ingredient in it that makes it what it is, and that really helps make the cheese sauce extra cheesy, and it helps the cheese sauce stay creamy and cheesy. So you just want to cook that for a few minutes. I let it cook for about 5 minutes. It was on medium-low heat. You don't want your cheese to scald or to burn, and you don't want your evaporated milk to scald. And once it got thickened up a little bit, I added a big pinch of salt. And if you wanted to spice this up, you could use pepper jack and some canned green chilies, but that's really it. It's ready to serve. You just serve it with some chips.
Oh my god, that's so good.
And if you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.